morning. Guten Morgen. Bonjour. Ça va? Habari zenyu? Karibu Kenya. Thank you.
So on behalf of the ICC Kenya and our colleagues from ICC head office, we are very glad to have you all here for the 9th conference on arbitration.
Africa is the way for future. What it matters here is to meet friends, to exchange knowledge and to exchange our ability to communicate and everything in order for us to be able to build our economies better and better.
And there I would like to pause and share with you how fantastic it is that the ICC Court for the 4th year in a row has been holding court session here in Africa.
As ADR practitioners, you have a very, very important role to play in making sure that international commerce remains within the multilateral space and to ensure that we can trade easily and more efficiently across the globe.
So this conference today is quite critical for us in ICC Kenya. We are trying to see how we could get more involvement from other sectors, insurance, finance, banking, renewable energy sectors, to get involved in these kinds of discussions so that we can create more awareness about the opportunities available.
You are expected to have neutrality. You are expected not to show bias, not to demonstrate any misconduct during the course of any proceedings.
As a judge, I've learned that not every dispute belongs in the courtroom. Often the best service that we can offer our litigants and the justice system itself is actually a path out of our courtrooms. And Article 159 of our Constitution makes this very clear. We are duty-bound to promote alternate dispute resolution, including arbitration.
That over the last decade, we have witnessed a quiet but powerful transformation in the arbitration landscape across Africa. What was once seen as the preserve of distant institutions and foreign practitioners has steadily evolved into a dynamic, homegrown movement. Arbitration in Africa is no longer emerging, it is maturing.
Why ICC is chosen? At the same time, it is the first choice, and most of the people most highly the fact that it's truly neutral and independent of any local government and influence.
This gathering in Nairobi brings together some of the finest minds in the supply chain. It is engraved in M&Co's DNA, supporting and promoting any initiative that's encouraging growth of our GDPs in our countries.
As Nelson Mandela once said, it always seems impossible until it is done. Today, we are doing it. We are building something credible, something relevant, and distinctly African.
We have to differentiate between the big business of the government investments or the FDI of the government investment and those particular businesses that are connected with a Harry and Joe like me. Yes, there is some of challenge and legal part, but there's a lot of challenge that driving or coming from the miscommunication and also inability to connect the dots between the commerce part.
I expect to see mining dispute increase, especially given the race between the US and China for rare minerals, especially given the fact that a lot of African countries have recently revised their mining regulations or intend to revise their mining regulations. So you can expect to see dispute in relation to withdrawal or transformation of mining licenses.
So as we are anticipating more transactions, we can anticipate more disputes. And as lawyers, we have the essential responsibility to help the businesses manage risk. And it's really incumbent upon everyone in this room, as we come together as a community, think about how we can do something greater together than we could do individually.
Thank you very much for joining us. That brings us to the close of today and our 9th ICC Africa Conference. Please enjoy. Thank you.